Hey there, I'm Cassidy Cash. This is That Shakespeare Life, and it's time for Weird Word Wednesday. This week we're looking at gain giving. It's used for the first time ever that I could find in 1602 when Shakespeare writes it in his play Hamlet, Act 5, Scene 2. Hamlet says it is such a kind of gain giving as would perhaps trouble a woman. Now, you can deal with the misogyny issues there. But the first folio of 1623 actually spells this differently. You have gain giving in 1623, but then the second quarto uses game guying. So there's no V, it's a U instead. And then in the quarto of 1611, it is spelled game dash giving. So there's lots of different versions of how to spell it, but however you spell it, the word means misgiving or to have doubts or to be worried, suspicious of. A synonym would be apprehension or to have qualms about something. There you go. Now you have one more word you can add to your Shakespeare vocabulary and be just a little bit smarter. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching. I'm Cassidy Cash, and I hope you learned something new about the Bard. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.